wondered why some men go bald while others keep their luscious locks well into their golden years? Is it bad luck, genetics, or something else entirely? Baldness has been the subject of countless jokes, myths, and even some weird remedies like rubbing onions on your scalp. But what's the real reason? Stick around, because today we're unraveling the mystery of baldness in a way you've never heard before. Let's dive right in. Here are 7 surprising reasons why men go bald. And trust me, number 6 will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about hair loss. First up, genetics. This one's a biggie. If your dad, uncle, or granddad started losing their hair early, chances are you might too. But here's the twist. The key gene responsible for male pattern baldness is actually inherited from your mom's side. Yes, it's called the androgen receptor gene, and it determines how sensitive your hair follicles are to certain hormones. So, next time you're at a family gathering, maybe take a closer look at your mom's brothers. They might be the crystal ball for your hair's future. Blame it on hormones. Specifically, a hormone called dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. Here's how it works. Testosterone, the hormone that makes men, well, manly, gets converted into DHT. This sneaky little hormone binds to your hair follicles and gradually shrinks them. Over time, the hair gets thinner, shorter, and eventually, it stops growing altogether. Think of it like your hair going on a long vacation, and forgetting to come back. Stress is a silent killer for your hair, too. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that disrupts the normal cycle of hair growth. It's like your hair says, "I can't deal with this drama," and starts falling out faster than you can say relax. This condition, known as telogen effluvium, is often temporary, but if you're constantly stressed, it can lead to more permanent hair loss. So, take a deep breath. My friend, your hair depends on it. Age is one of the most common culprits behind hair loss. As we age, our hair follicles start producing thinner, weaker hair. Eventually, some follicles stop producing hair altogether. It's like they've decided to retire after years of hard work. By the time most men hit their 50s, about 85% experience significant hair thinning. But hey, think of it as nature's way of simplifying your grooming routine. Your lifestyle plays a bigger role in hair loss than you might think. Smoking, poor diet, lack of exercise, all these can speed up the process. Smoking reduces blood flow to your hair follicles, while a diet lacking in essential nutrients like biotin and zinc weakens your hair. So, if you're munching on fries while chain smoking, maybe it's time to rethink your choices. Your hair will thank you. Sometimes, it's not just about genetics or lifestyle. Medical conditions like alopecia areata, thyroid problems, or even certain medications can lead to hair loss. Alopecia, for instance, is an autoimmune condition where your body's immune system mistakenly attacks your hair follicles. But the good news is, many of these conditions are treatable. So, if you're noticing unusual hair loss, a quick trip to the doctor might be your best bet. Here's a wild theory. Baldness might actually be an evolutionary advantage. Some researchers believe it's nature's way of making men look more mature, dominant, and even trustworthy. Think about it, some of the most powerful men in history were bald. So, if you're losing hair, maybe it's just evolution's way of telling you that you're destined for greatness. So there you have it, baldness isn't a curse. It's a mix of science, lifestyle, and maybe even evolution. Whether you're rocking a shiny dome or holding onto your last few strands, just remember you're not alone. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating insights, and share this with someone who might need a little hair loss humor in their life.